PROLIM PLM.
Hello, my name is Matt Radizek. I am a Solid Edge Application Engineer with PROLIM PLM. In this SnackByte, I will be covering the isolate and toggle display commands inside of the Solid Edge assembly environment. These commands are both used to show and hide components inside of your assemblies. Let's start with the isolate command. First, you need to select the part or parts you would like to isolate. In this case, I will be selecting the carb 1 part that is currently shown, as well as the air cleaner part that is currently hidden. After selecting your part or parts, right-click and select the isolate command from the shortcut menu. As you can see, the parts I selected to isolate are now the only parts shown in the graphic window, regardless of whether they were hidden or shown beforehand. You will also notice that on the right-hand side of the graphic window there are two new commands, Restore Isolate and Dismiss Isolate. If I were to select Restore Isolate, it would revert my display configuration back to what it was before I had used the Isolate command. So in this case, I would have all 4 parts shown except for the air cleaner that was previously hidden before I had performed the Isolate. If I were to select Dismiss Isolate, my display configuration would stay the same. I would just be leaving the Isolate state, same as if I was leaving via the Restore Isolate. Since I'm okay with this display configuration, I will go ahead and Dismiss Isolate to maintain the current configuration. I will now cover the toggle display command. To activate the toggle display environment, all you need to do is select the toggle display command shown here at the bottom of the Solid Edge application. Once selected, you will notice that all your hidden parts are now shown in a ghosted style. What this environment allows me to do is that whenever I select a part, it will switch the status of this part. So, if I select a shown part, it will hide it. If I select a hidden part, it will now show it. Now, once I have all these parts selected so that they are shown, as shown in my Pathfinder, I can now leave the toggle display environment by either selecting the option inside of the graphic window or by selecting the option at the bottom of the Solid Edge application. That was a quick run through of the isolate and toggle display commands. Thank you for watching the SnackByte, and check out more of our snack and lunch bites on our YouTube channel.
PROLIM PLM.